डगर के अंधेरों से डगर के अंधेरों से क्या कभी डगर के अंधेरों से क्या कभी उल्फत जिंदगी हारी है। डगर के अंधेरों से क्या कभी उल्फत जिंदगी हारी है। जब तलक ना मिले मन मुताबिक अफसाना जब तलक ना मिले मन मुताबिक अफसाना जुस्तजू जारी है। A synteletic morning to everyone, one and all present here. Carry on. Today I'm going to narrate a movie which name is Nanhe Jaisalmer. As the movie name is, it's a story of 10 years old boy who lives in Jaisalmer city with his family, including his mother, his sister and a camel. Camel's name is Raja Jaisalmer. I have told you that he is only 10 years old, but he is tourist guide. He doesn't go to school because he doesn't like to go to school. So he is illiterate basically, but he can speak more than 4 to 5 different kind of languages like Chinese, English, Japanese, Italian, Gujarati, Marathi, etc. He easily wins the heart of all the visitors who visit in Jaisalmer. But in Nanne's heart is his favorite actor Bobby Deol, because years back Bobby Deol comes to Jaisalmer for a film shooting, and in a scene of a film he picks up Nanne and asks him, "How are you, my friend?" So Nanni takes it as real that Bobby Deol is my friend, I am Bobby Deol's friend, and he becomes so obsessed with him, like he covers all the wall of his room by the pictures of Bobby Deol, and he watch all the each and every movie of Bobby Deol's in cinema hall. Also, he makes write letter by his sister in every month and post it, because he is illiterate but he makes write a letter by his sister. And he always keeps saying that Bobby Deol is my friend, one day I will go to Mumbai and I will meet him, or he will come to Jaisalmer and will meet to me. So one day, while he was guiding a tourist, he listens by someone that Bobby Deol is coming to Jaisalmer for 30 days film shooting. And he is so much happy and excited and running here and there while telling people that my friend is coming. And one day, in schedules of some ke dhore, he meets with Bobby Deol and they talk each other a lot and decide to meet in every evening after completing the film shooting of Bobby Deol. Thereafter, over the next some days, they start meeting to each other and enjoy much together. And Bobby Deol learns him life skills, and it affects a lot to Nanne, and he starts going to night school as well, which was held by MLA's wife for making people literate. He leaves all the bad habits like consuming tobacco and all. Thereafter, becoming literate, one day he writes Bobby Deol's name on a wedding card of his sister marriage and invites him for coming to marriage. But Bobby Deol does not come to marriage of Nanne's sister. So Nanne becomes so upset and gets hurt. Lately, Bobby Deol comes to his home and says him sorry that he could not come. They are talking to each other. In the meanwhile, Nanne's mother comes to Nanne's room and asks him, while making see him a wedding card that was written by Nanne for inviting the Bobby Deol, that why don't you send it to your friend Bobby Deol? That time, Nanne feels that there was no one except himself and his mother in the room, and he realizes that all the talks with Bobby Deol, all the meetings with Bobby Deol was just an imaginations of Nanne, and he was hallucinated about Bobby Deol, and he smiles a lot that what am I doing with myself. And years pass, and Nanne changes his name as Vikram Singh and writes a book by the title Nanne Jaisalmer. In this book, this story was narrated. That was an imagination of Nanne, and this book becomes famous and worth liking to each and everyone. On the day of his book's premiere, he is shocked that Bobby Deol comes to that premiere to congratulate him. But Nanne does not reveal his real identity, that he himself is Nanne. But Bobby Deol recognizes him and calls him by the name Nanne. That time, Vikram Singh gets emotional, and Bobby Deol hugs him, and Vikram Singh says to audience that imagination has power if it comes by the soul, and dreams come true. Thank you.